Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hey everyone, Jessica here, and I'm so excited to invite you on this virtual journey to Portugal to explore the best beach in Porto. So put on your walking shoes and join me. Let me take a quick moment to say that if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment. I'd really appreciate it. Okay, let's just hop right into the tour. Portugal is more than just beautiful beaches and stunning sunsets. It is a great place for hikers and adventurers to experience the true culture and beauty of the country, and Porto is no exception. As soon as you arrive in Porto, you can see the amazing coast of northern Portugal. The views here are breathtaking, and the sound of the waves crashing against the shore is absolutely mesmerizing. The best beach starts in the south side of town, just outside the city limits. You can walk along the cliffs or even descend down to the beach if you're brave enough. The beach is very long and mostly flat, making it a great spot for taking long, peaceful walks. Here, you can appreciate the beauty of the sunset as it reflects off the ocean. It is a truly special experience. On the beach, there's something for everyone. For visitors who are looking for adventure, there are some great sports such as windsurfing, kite surfing, and kayaking. If you prefer something more relaxing, then the beach is a great place just to sit back and chill. It is also a great spot for those who are looking to experience the local cuisine, with several restaurants, cafes, and beach bars offering a variety of delicious dishes. If you are looking for a great place to experience all the wonders of Porto in one spot, then the best beach here is definitely the spot to check out. So take a moment, sit back, and enjoy the beautiful views of the ocean.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!